Been channeling Lee Campbell on selling that stuff.
Oh my.
Yeah, it's going to be a goner.
Look at the puppies out here now. You're going to just lose it. I'll know where it is. I'll come out and find it while you're...
So there's your 20 seconds.
Yeah, yeah.
This is what it was doing the other day. I said I need to put it away. There's some freaking lift over here. Did you see that no-cal? It was about, it was eye level, and I could have grabbed it, and it took off again.
So in comparison, Pat, does that fly like your other one with the gear?
Yeah, well, I put a little bit more. I only put like 1,000 turns on that.
Yeah.
The other one, I really cranked it up, and man, it was just,
Oh.
That looks really good, Pat.
yeah.
It's bumping around out there.
Yeah, you might get caught in something and go up. Nope, fell out of it.
I think it's on glide now.
Yeah.
Got too many of these puppies out here now.
Yeah, so no time at all.
Down.